I've been in Nigeria for a bit and I decided to make a two-piece set for my mom as a welcome back gift from that freezer country where she was doing Omugwo duties. Anyway, she was excited, of course. I took her measurements as I already have my two-piece set patterns in different sizes. Even with her mommy tummy, I knew I would deliver thanks to tweaking the patterns that were in her size. Here's the fabric I'm using for her. Shout out to my cousin for the fabric. And voila! I'm done oh. Check out Mom now. I'll be teaching you how to sew this beautiful two-piece set and a few other outfits in the two-piece set sewing academy in 14 days. Click the link at the top of my page to join the Telegram group to learn more about the academy, or check comment section for the link to join the Telegram group. I definitely will be making more for my mom before I leave the country. Listen, if you know you want to start your ready-to-wear business so you can begin earning extra income, then this two-piece set sewing academy is just what you need. I will teach you how to make this two-piece set in different sizes. I mean, see my mom looking yummy now, in spite of her tummy and size. The academy begins on Monday, 9th October, and slots are filling up fast. Join my free Telegram group to learn more about the academy so you can sign up. See you there.